Hi guys, today I will show you how to configure VTP protocol in Cisco switch. And before we configure this lab, I will show you some basic explanation of VTP protocol. VTP protocol is the Cisco proprietary protocol and it used to share VLAN configuration from one switch to another switch. It means that we use VTP protocol only in Cisco device. Another device cannot use this protocol, and we use it to share VLAN configuration from one switch to another switch. There are three versions of VTP, named version 1, version 2, and version 3. About the detail of each version, I will show you in next video. VTP mode. There are three types of VTP mode: VTP server mode, VTP client mode, and VTP transparent mode. In VTP server mode, by default all switches are configured as the VTP server mode when first power on. And VTP client mode. In client mode, a switch will accept and store in its RAM all VLAN information received from the VTP server. However, the information is also saved in NVRAM. So if the switch is power off, it won't lose in the VLAN information. VTP transparent mode. In the VTP transparent mode is something between the VTP server and VTP client, but does not participate in the VTP domain. All transparent VTP switch will act as the VTP relay, forward all the VTP information it receives out its RAM port. It means that in VTP transparent mode, the switch will not save the VLAN that it received from another switch, but it uses as the relay. It means it forwards the VLAN that received from another switch to another switch, but it not receive it and save it in their database. And the purpose we use VTP because when we use it, when a new VLAN is created and configured on switch without the VTP protocol enabled, this must be manually replicated on all switches on the network, so they are aware of the newly created VLAN. This means that the administrators must configure each switch separately, a task that requires a lot of time and adds considerable amount of overhead depending on the size of network. It means if we don't have the VTP protocol, by using it in Cisco device, when we create new VLAN, we need to create it all switch. So if we use VTP, it is easy. We need to create it in only the VTP server mode, and VTP server mode it will share the VLAN configuration to each switch that use as the VTP client mode. So go to the configuration of this lab. In this lab, there are 3 points. First, in run at switch 1, we no need to do anything, but in run at switch 2, we need to configure it to forward VLAN from switch 1 to switch 3. And switch 3, we need to configure it as the receive only VLAN from another switch only. So go to switch 1. We see no need to do anything, so we can use only VTP status to see. It is work as the VTP server mode, and VTP domain is runnet. VTP version is version 2. Okay, we no need to configure anything in this switch. We go to the switch 2. As you see in this lab, in the scan, on switch runnet switch 2, you have to configure to let the VTP information sent from runnet switch 1 we install to runnet switch 3 without any change in VLAN database of runnet switch 2. So in this point, we need to configure runnet switch 2 receive VLAN database from runnet switch 1 and transport it to runnet switch 3, and runnet switch 2 not update any VLAN in the database. So we need to configure as the transparent mode. The domain is the same. and we need to configure both interface and the transport. Okay, done. In switch 3, in switch 2. Yes, transfer done. Okay, go to switch 3. As in this point, on switch runner switch 3, you have to configure receive VTP information from runner switch 1. We need to configure it to receive the VLAN configuration from the switch runner switch 1. Okay, so we need to configure it as the VTP client. And we need to assign Fastnet Solar Môi to VLAN 10 and Fastnet Solar 032 20. Okay, now you can see the completion is 100%. So in this time we show VLAN. Yeah, you can see VLAN 10 from the switch runner 1. Yes, in the switch runner 3 without configure VLAN in this switch. Okay, thanks for watching this video. For any new update about next video, please subscribe the below link. You will see my new video.